Just a short video. I had a request to show the debitage from some of these nappings. So these are from the Snyder's attempts, the last three, and these are the final flakes on the last video when I did the notching. Okay, I was requested to show close-up, but I lost track of who asked me, so I can do better than showing close-ups of this stuff. I can just send you these flakes for the shipping cost, you know, for $5. So whoever it was, I'm sorry I can't find the message or the reply on YouTube. So just send me an email at jackcrafty2@gmail.com and I'll send you these flakes. This is heat-treated Buffalo River. And it's got the dust and everything. And then I can try to get as much of that as possible into the bag if I send it off. Okay.